Good afternoon, Adam. A man fatally shot outside his home earlier this week was the victim of a homicide, an autopsy report revealed Thursday. Michael Pittman, 37, of Manchester, died Tuesday outside his Granite Street home. An autopsy revealed Pittman was shot in the torso. Police said the homicide does not appear to be random, but are urging vigilance until the gunman is captured. Anyone with information is asked to call the Manchester Crime Line at 603-624-4040. Reporting live here outside the Manchester Police Department, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Adam, back over to you.